Hey entrepreneurs, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips, and in this video I'm speaking about paid advertisement and how to do it for your website. So if you are someone who's an entrepreneur, you're running your own business and you've got your website and you're looking to drive new clients through that website, one of the great ways to do this is by utilizing paid traffic. But it can seem very daunting and complicated at first. And what are the things that you need to do to make sure that your paid advertisement campaigns run as effectively and profitably as possible? So first and foremost, you want to make sure that you're actually choosing the right platform. You want to choose platforms that are high authority. So Google is a great platform. They have PPC ads that you can run. They also have shopping ads that you can run as well, and these can be highly effective. You also have the ability to run ads via YouTube as well. So video ads can be really effective, especially because not a lot of organizations are actually using it. So you can beat your competitors by carrying out YouTube ads, and you don't get charged if someone doesn't actually watch your ad for a particular length of time. So it's a great way to get exposure for your brand and potentially not even necessarily pay for all of the exposure that you are getting. So Facebook happens to be probably one of the best platforms at the moment, depending on what you're selling, to run ads. With the Facebook Ads Manager, you can actually run ads within Facebook and on Instagram too. And I've done loads of videos on Facebook and Instagram advertisements, and I'll leave some of those videos in the description down below. So you want to make sure you're utilizing a high authority website to run your ads on. So any social media platform that's popular like LinkedIn or Twitter or Pinterest could also potentially be really great platforms for you to run your ads. The second thing that you want to keep in mind when running ads for your business is your audience or your targeting. This is really important. You can be on the right platform but targeting the wrong people, and your ads are not going to be seen where they need to be seen, and the right people are not going to be clicking on your advertisements. So you really want to think about that. When it comes to Google, you can actually select your keywords when you are advertising. So you want to be thinking, what keywords might people type in to find my potential brand? But Google is not always good at associating keywords with the ones that you choose. So you want to make sure you add negative keywords as well. So people who are not actively looking for whatever it is you're selling on your website don't stumble across your webpage and cost you money by clicking your ads when actually they're not really looking for what it is you are selling. Again, I've done videos on Google ads, and I'll leave some in the description down below so you know what keywords you need to go after and how to add negative keywords to your Google campaigns. But if you're running social media ads, I highly recommend doing retargeting. So this is when you already have a following or an email list or website visitors, and you retarget the people who are currently following you somewhere on the internet. So this is known as warm traffic, and warm traffic actually converts really well when it comes to paid advertisement. And it's actually where a lot of my clients are seeing the bulk of their success when it comes to paid advertisement campaigns. Another huge mistake that I see a lot of entrepreneurs making when running paid ads is not giving their ad enough time to develop. So you need to give your campaign enough time to go through what we call in marketing the learning phase. So you don't necessarily know how well a campaign is going to perform when you first publish an advert. And some people panic after 3 or 4 days. They haven't gotten enough traffic or they haven't gotten any sales, and they pause or delete their campaign. But you want to make sure you give your campaign sufficient time, especially if you don't have a big budget in that campaign. It can take a while for traffic and conversions to start coming. So you want to make sure you sit with the campaign for a little while, even if you're seeing money coming out of your account. I always say that paid traffic is not necessarily about making sales initially. It's all about buying data, and you want to use that data to your advantage to tweak and make your campaigns better. And that leads me into my last point in the video, which is split testing. So you want to make sure that you're testing your campaigns, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't. It's all about throwing things against the wall and seeing what sticks. So when you first publish a paid advertisement campaign, it may not work that well for you. So you want to analyze some of your copy. You want to analyze the images or the videos or the keywords or the text that you're using. You also want to analyze the landing page that you have people come into, some of your call to actions, and maybe even your audience. You can test different audiences as well. So you want to be split testing loads of different things so you can see what works and what doesn't work for your paid advertisement campaigns. And this is even if your campaign is profitable. You can make it even more profitable by testing a few things, analyzing a few things, and really paying attention to your data. So here's just a few tips that can help you with your paid advertisement campaigns. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments section. I also have the formula, which is the free guide to generating leads and sales online. In that formula, I go through more steps about paid ads, but also some free traffic methods as well that you can adopt to create a cohesive online marketing strategy for your business. As you can see, there's a copy next to me. I will also leave a copy somewhere on this screen and in the description down below. So make sure you go click the link, download your free copy today. But I really do hope that this video brought you value, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comments section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula, and I will see you soon.